Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete a group in the Snapchat app. Please, friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes and also write comments at the end of the video. And let's get started. Open the Snapchat app on your phone and then go to the chat section at the bottom. Then at the top, select the Groups section. Now navigate to the group. Tap on the name of the group at the top. And here I'll tell you right away that if you're looking for some feature like delete group or how you can do it with the press of a button, unfortunately, Snapchat doesn't have that feature. But there is one workaround. For this, you will need to first remove all the members of the group from the group. To do this, you will need to tap and hold on them, and then delete them from the group. And this action will have to be done with absolutely all members of the group. After that, in the upper right corner, click on the three dots and then leave the group. In this way, you first remove all the people from the group. Then you leave the group yourself, and automatically the group ceases to exist. Friends, this is the simple way you can delete a group in Snapchat app. I really hope this video was useful and helped you. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and also subscribe to our channel. See you soon.